to check what's on my fridge. Are you gonna eat this?
I don't know. I like their nails. I want one.
But later, I'm asking.
I'll try one. I'll try one.
There's more. You said you're gonna try it, right?
Just one.
Guys, narinig niyo yun. Right. The moment of truth. Chicken wings, chicken gizzard, chicken liver, chicken feet, and pork. chicken feet?
No,
Why not?
I want this. I want isaw.
Isaw? We don't have a isaw.
Exactly.
But if we do have a isaw and you said we don't have a chicken feet, can I try chicken feet?
No, I don't want it.
Moment,
It's dry.
It's dry.
It's too big too. Should make it smaller. So it's like authentic palengke vibes. It's getting stuck. I can't get it out. I want to maybe make
We did napkin.
the stick smaller so it fits in the jar, or just have a big.
Do you wanna try chicken feet?
Yeah, that would be good.
It's not your favorite? You don't like chicken feet? So that's all, everybody. Today experiment was maybe next time I will make more better. And well, my husband, he had chicken gizzard. Seriously, he did. And then while he's cooking his steak, but the main course is the chicken feet. He did not like the chicken feet, so. And my daughter, she says she's gonna try, but she did not. Well, why she did not? Because she was watching me cleaning it. And maybe next time, if I'm going to cook exotic food, maybe they're not around, so they cannot see. But the chicken feet is obviously, it's a chicken feet. Or maybe I just cut it into teeny tiny. And yeah, but my daughters like the pork skewer, and but you heard what she says, and a little bit chewy, she says. And I think I just marinated for a short time, and she wanted the authentic, because in the Philippines the authentic is that in the street is the slice is teeny tiny, so she wanted like that way. Yeah, next time I will do better and hide things so they can eat it. Okay, so the tip is you should hide it while you're cooking. They're not around, so they will eat it, right? So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe. That's it, everybody. So today, that's all, everybody. So today's experiment is fail. I know. Okay, so that's all, everybody. So today's experiment was failure. I know. Fail, see. Failed your community. So maybe next time I will be make better. I'm doing my outro, D.
Oh, sorry.
What is it now, Nancy?
No, I haven't done anything. Can I use that fabric scissor?
Huh?
Fabric scissor?
For the hair?
Yeah, because I don't want to use the small scissor anymore because it's not sharp.
Okay.
Where is it? In your sewing place?
Yeah. Okay, again. I'll do it again.